Hi guys, I thought I'd do a little video on some things I bought off Amazon. I got these things, they're called CamKix, and they're propellers for my DJI MAVIC Pro drone. So they're supposed to be low noise, so I thought I'd give it a test. These are £6.49 on Amazon, and you get 6 of them. And this, like I said, they're supposed to be low noise, so I thought I'd give it a quick test for £6.49. These are the original propellers that come with the DJI MAVIC Pro. They've got like white ends on them. And this is the packaging that the new ones came in. Like I said, they're not DJI, they're called CamKix, made in China. But they got fairly good reviews, so I thought I'd give it a go. So let's just undo it. You get like a cloth, and these are the actual propellers. These ones, like the official DJI quiet ones, come with sort of gold paint on the edges. Let's just measure them up and see what they're like. So yeah, they're about the same. I don't know if it will focus properly. They're about the same length. They're kind of pointed more on the ends, and they sort of go back further on the ends. Same attachments in the middle pretty much. So let's give them a go. So the first test I'll do is with the normal propellers, so you can see how loud they are, and then I'll go on to the new quieter ones. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, and these are the new ones that are supposed to be a lot quieter. Let's try an auto land. I have to say, I do think they were actually a bit quieter. This is not really scientific, and there's a lot of wind noise. They do actually seem a bit quieter, I think. Some of the reviews I've been reading on Amazon, people have been complaining that the propellers make their gimbal and the camera really shake badly. So one thing I would say, I don't know if it is caused by this, but don't forget, when you've got the drone and you've got your motors, you get ones which have white lines around them and ones which are plain. So with your new propellers, you've got to make sure that the ones with the gold circle, if it will focus, they have to go on the one with the white lines, and the ones that are just clear, they go on to the ones which are clear there.